Welcome to our channel. Looking for the best shortwave radio in 2025. We've tested and reviewed the top models to help you find the perfect one for your needs, whether for travel, emergency use, or global broadcasts. Stick around as we reveal the best picks of the year. Links in the description. Now, let's dive in. Number 6. The Emgykit 4000 portable shortwave radio is a powerful, all-in-one device, perfect for emergencies, outdoor adventures, and everyday use. It covers NOAA, AM, FM, and SW bands, ensuring you stay informed no matter where you are. With manual and digital tuning, finding stations is quick and easy. This radio isn't just for listening, it also functions as a Bluetooth speaker, supports USB drive and TF card playback, and even features 7 natural sleep sounds with a sleep timer for relaxation. One of its standout features is its 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, which can be powered in 3 ways: Type-C charging, solar power, and a hand crank, making it a reliable choice for emergency situations. The built-in flashlight, SOS alarm, and power bank function add extra layers of safety and convenience. Users love its compact design, strong reception, and durability. Whether you're preparing for an emergency or looking for a versatile portable radio, the Emgykit 4000 mAh is a fantastic investment that delivers great value for its price. Number 5. The Kaito KA500 5-way powered emergency radio is a reliable, all-in-one device designed for emergencies, outdoor adventures, and daily use. It provides comprehensive coverage with AM, FM, 2-band shortwave, and 7 NOAA weather channels, ensuring you stay updated on weather alerts and global news. The PEAS, Public Emergency Alert System function, is especially useful for receiving real-time weather warnings in the USA and Canada. One of its standout features is the 6 power options: solar charging hand crank, USB, AC-DC input, built-in rechargeable battery, and AA batteries, not included. This flexibility ensures you'll never be without power, no matter where you are. It also doubles as a portable charger to keep your devices powered via its USB output port. Additionally, the KA500 includes a 5 LED reading lamp, flashlight, and red SOS beacon, making it perfect for emergency situations. The telescopic antenna provides strong reception, and the durable, water-resistant ABS construction ensures long-lasting performance. Users appreciate the solid build, great sound quality, and dependable reception. The Kaito KA500 is an essential tool for anyone who values preparedness and reliability. Number 4. The Qodosen DX286 portable shortwave radio is a compact, high-performance radio that provides reliable reception across FM, AM, LW, and SW bands. Powered by the TF6666 DSP chip, it ensures enhanced sensitivity and selectivity, allowing you to receive clear signals even in areas with weak reception. The 366 rotating antenna and the external antenna interface help improve signal strength for better listening quality, measuring just 5.27 x 2.99 x 1.18. This radio is incredibly portable and perfect for travel, outdoor activities, or use around the house. It features a backlit LCD screen, making it easy to read in low-light conditions, and includes handy features like sleep time, alarm clock, and 1000 memory storage stations. Sound quality is solid, delivering clear audio for all your favorite stations. The DX286 performs well with headphones, offering a great listening experience. While the battery life could be improved, this radio's portability and outstanding reception across all bands make it a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a reliable, easy-to-use portable radio. Number 3. The Tecsun PL880 is a top-of-the-line portable radio that excels in receiving AM, FM, long-wave, short-wave, and single-sideband SSB signals. It features a PLL-synthesized dual conversion receiver that provides unparalleled sensitivity and selectivity, making it perfect for catching distant broadcasts. With selectable bandwidth filters and 10 Hz tuning steps, it delivers precise tuning, especially for SSB reception, making it a great choice for amateur radio enthusiasts. The radio's compact size, 75LX1.25WX 4.5H, makes it easy to carry, while the included high-capacity Li-ion rechargeable battery and 20 FT wire antenna enhance reception. The battery life is impressive, providing hours of use on a single charge. The alarm clock and sleep timer, 0-100 to 20 minutes, are also convenient features for daily use. Users appreciate the FM stereo sound quality, which is excellent when using earphones or connected to an external amplifier. The Tecsun PL880 offers superb reception and performance, making it a must-have for those seeking a portable, high-quality radio experience. Number 2. The CCRadio 3 is a standout portable radio with exceptional AM, FM, NOAA weather, and 2-meter ham band reception. Thanks to its twin-coil ferrite AM antenna, the AM reception is crystal clear, and it performs impressively well with FM as well, even capturing weak signals with ease. The Bluetooth functionality adds a modern touch, allowing you to pair the radio with Bluetooth-enabled devices to stream podcasts, music, and more. The sound quality is excellent, with clear and precise audio that brings broadcasts, podcasts, and shows to life. The NOAA weather band and weather alerts are crucial for emergencies, offering real-time weather updates and alerts for potential disasters. Additionally, the 2-meter ham band provides valuable communication during emergencies. Features like memory presets, 5 per band, a sleep timer, alarm clock, adjustable display light, and a headphone jack add extra convenience. With a long battery life of about 250 hours and a 1-year warranty, the CCRadio 3 is a top-tier choice for everyday use, travel, and emergency preparedness. Number 1. The Raddy RF919 is a highly versatile and feature-rich radio, covering FM, AM, SW, SSB, VHF, UHF, AIR, CB, WB, and SSB bands, making it ideal for both everyday use and emergency situations. The dual-knob tuning system offers both fine and main adjustments, allowing for precise frequency tuning. The rear antenna tuner and 3 external antenna ports ensure optimal reception for clear, crisp signals. One of the standout features is the dual screens. The main screen displays vital reception information, while the secondary screen shows signal strength, time, and a fun music spectrum light when in Bluetooth mode, adding to the immersive experience. With a 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery, you can enjoy long hours of listening, and the Bluetooth and microSD card support provide additional entertainment options. The 20-watt speaker offers excellent audio quality, and the headphone jack allows for private listening. While the Raddy RF919 does require some time to get accustomed to, its impressive features and superior reception make it an outstanding option for those seeking a reliable, all-in-one portable radio. Thanks for watching our Best Shortwave Radio 2025 review. We hope you found the perfect radio for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details on the radios we featured. Stay tuned for more content, and happy listening.